love the way my body's moving to the beat.
Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail.
I love the way my body's moving to the beat.
Today I will show you how to make a spicy Michelada cocktail like a pro, and also show you how to make a gorgeous garnish for this world-famous Mexican cocktail. So let's go and jump in. Take a medium-sized lemon, and cut it into half. Now quickly cut a moon out of this half lemon, and carefully remove the white part. Now slightly cut both the ends. Perfect. Now take a cocktail pick, and skew a cherry tomato, lemon, and a red chili. Awesome. Now lightly spread a little bit of red pepper on the garnish to give a gorgeous look. The garnish is now ready, and I hope that you will be able to make this beautiful garnish very easily at home. So let's go and jump into the mixology. Today we will start by rimming a beer mug. So take a beer mug of about 14 ounces or 410 milliliters, and then press it on the sponge to coat with lemon juice, and then carefully coat it with salt. Perfect. Now I will generously sprinkle red pepper on the rim, so that it looks gorgeous. I will suggest you to use very light red pepper, so that when you sip the cocktail, you get a very little fiery sensation on the tongue. Perfect. Now it is looking gorgeous, so let's start the mixology. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now carefully add 6 to 8 ice cubes. After ice cubes, pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of fresh tomato juice. After the tomato juice, add a few dashes of spicy Tabasco sauce. Perfect. Now pour 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. After that, add fresh black pepper. Perfect. Next, squeeze half of a lemon, or pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. We have added almost all the ingredients, so let's quickly mix all the ingredients. Perfect. Now top up the glass with chilled light beer. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Awesome. Now we will do something amazing. Take a dry red pepper and burn it for a moment. And when the smoke will come out, drop it into the glass. This will add an amazing roasted flavor to the cocktail, and I hope you will love this. The spicy Michelada cocktail is now ready. So let's decorate it with the garnish that we prepared earlier. Cheers! Have a spicy weekend. Thanks for watching, Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.